In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make camera turn in Kling AI. We'll build a smooth cinematic camera move using a clear text prompt and a few key settings, so you can get a natural pan without complicated timelines or keyframes. First, head to the Kling AI app in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll see a sidebar. Click Generate on the left. This opens the video creation workspace where you'll write your prompt and choose your render settings. In the prompt box, type a warrior standing on a cliff at sunset, cinematic lighting, realistic details, slow camera pan right. This phrasing does a lot of work. The subject and setting, warrior, cliff, sunset, tell Kling what to show. Cinematic lighting and realistic details push the model toward polished visuals. Most importantly, slow camera pan right instructs the camera to turn smoothly to the right. If you ever want a different move, you can use words like pan left, orbit around, or dolly forward, but for this example, slow pan right is perfect for a graceful turn. At the top of the generate view, choose a quality level. Higher quality typically produces cleaner textures and more stable motion, though it may take longer to render. If you're testing ideas, a quicker setting helps you iterate. When you're happy with the motion, bump the quality for your final pass. Next, pick the length. Duration directly affects the feel of the camera turn. A longer clip gives the pan more time to breathe, which reads as slower and more cinematic. A shorter clip compresses the move and can feel faster and punchier. For a slow, confident pan, lean toward a longer duration. Now choose the video ratio. Select the aspect ratio that matches where you'll share the video. Horizontal works well for cinematic frames, vertical suits mobile-first platforms, and square is a safe middle ground. The ratio won't change the move itself, but it will influence composition. Choose the number of outputs. Multiple outputs give you variations in one go, handy for picking the smoothest or most dramatic result. Keep in mind, more outputs mean more processing time. When everything looks good, click Generate. Kling will analyze your prompt, set up the scene, and render the camera movement you described. The most important ingredient is the motion language in your prompt. Terms like slow, pan right, and cinematic guide the turn. If the move feels too fast, try a longer length or add words like slowly or gentle to your prompt. And when you're satisfied, you can apply the same approach to any subject or setting you like.